Things from Grandma's house, 30 years ago that today's kids will never experience. The fishing toy that made a click-click sound when you shut its mouth. This is the anniversary clock from Grandpa and Grandma's place. Do you remember what VHS tapes were played on this TV? The possibilities were endless, except for the cookies. The beautiful but burning hot Christmas tree that Grandma told you not to touch. These strawberry candies that seem to only appear at Grandma's house. They don't make this kind of toilet paper anymore because it can cause allergies. The plastic covers on the couch, still a mystery to this day. There would also be blankets like this hanging over it, and they'd make you itch when you covered up.